I was telling everybody this morning we had a session in the morning. We had a session in the morning, ladies and gentlemen. I just want to make one point. Most of our fathers are at home. Because, for example, let me tell you, RMG has just paid 72 lakhs to the fire department for Ecowater. And they're going to pay around 100 lakhs for each ID card of RMG. Just to ensure that the fire department carries out all checks. But who is doing the check at home? And most of the fires are taking place at home. I just tell you there are 9,000 plus bars and restaurants in Bangalore that do not have any fire safety equipment. So I would request you, if you find one of yours, or for a drink, or for a meal, please see where is the exit. For God's sake. We have just lost 50 young lives in Bombay. And all died in the bathroom. They all had to the same. Right. Yeah. Okay. So what we have over here is carbon dioxide. Very simple. On the safety pin, hold the hose in your right hand, left hand, whichever is my second volunteer. Mr. Arvind is my first volunteer and my Churita, which company? Michael. Two volunteers. Absolutely. Don't hesitate, you just take forward. Okay, sir. So you, sir. Point it towards the fire, point the hose, and press the lever, press the lever. Let her be. That's